Hello guys, this is me Haribatrai from Libdit SEO. Today I'm here once again with another new set of tools that will definitely increase your productivity. So let's dive right into the tools. The first tool I'm talking about is okay, if you type CAROT carrot 2, it should display a tool called clustering tool. Okay, so here this is the clean layout here. So there's a theme, dark and the light. Okay, so I'm using dark at this point. So now in here it is simple, type any keyword you want to rank or you want to make a cluster about. So I'm just going to type digital marketing. Okay, so I'm here in Nepal, so I would type Nepal. Let's see what it tool does. Okay, guys, here is the great set of information. You can see in the right hand side, you can see all the citations, all the websites that are actually ranking on the SERP. Shortlist is ranking on the first, Wikipedia is second. All these are the link citation that this tools gives. Digital Thrive here and all these websites. Okay, so quickly look into the list. This is the list. Okay, so here in the tree map it will show you the tree map probably. Let's see, based on the results. Okay, let's see pie chart. So pie chart, you can easily see all these keywords: digital media marketing business, digital marketing agency in Nepal, India, training Nepal, and food. All these entities in here, and these are the sub entities that comes under these, the main entity here. You can simply save this pie chart, or you can go to the tree map. So in the tree map you can easily see all those entities stacking in the one diagram. The film, college, all these keywords are there, so it gives a clear picture about where you are at, where the SERP is at, and you can see and extract lots of information from here and make a clear cut strategy to rank on the SERP. Okay, so here in the list, on the digital marketing aspect there are 13 docs found. On the business aspect there are 12. On the digital marketing agency in Nepal, 11 docs. So actually with this list you can actually create a hub while making a website, or throwing the content into the website. So it is utterly helpful. I hope you guys like it. So another tool is, so this is the new discover tool. Okay, so I'm quickly here to sign in. Okay, let's see if I should have a login. Yeah, I have a login. So I'm in this, right? So let's just say I will type same digital marketing in Nepal. Okay, it will take just some time to load. So in the meantime I will go through the another tool. This is WordGalaxy. Okay, so this is the tool powered by ChatGPT. So what this tool does is absolute magic, guys. If you have a affiliate or the ad site where the ads are running, or you are earning or relying on that website for making money, so this tool should be very helpful, guys. So let's just say if you have a niche, uh, like digital marketing, or you can have any niche, and I want to write and post an article related to digital marketing in Nepal. So with other tools and research, it takes a significant amount of time to come up with the article, finalizing the keyword research and all those aspects. So what this tool does is absolute easy. You need to type the keyword in here and choose the style: conversational, opinionated. So I wanted a professional tone here. Here you can throw in the article length. So for this purpose I'm just putting at a 2. Okay, so create an article. So it will load. It will take some time to load, and once it is loaded you will be provided with all the articles. Okay, so also the magic of this tool is it will show you the meta title and the description, so you don't have to worry about that. Another thing this tool does is You don't have to you know you don't have to break down the subheadings, or you don't have to worry about the headings. Okay, so this will uh, overall cover all those subheadings under the main topic. Okay, so this should be very helpful, and you can simply copy and paste, and in your blog, and run the ads on that. Okay, so it is still generating. So here is also generating, so let's wait for them to generate. Let's see. This is absolute killer, guys. So if you are doing a side hustle, if you are building a site and you want to earn money for quick, okay, so you can easily do that. You don't have to pay the content writers, so this will overall do the job for you. Okay, so please, at least sharing this should motivate me. Please like and subscribe. I will share more interesting tool later on. So here, guys, it's loaded now. So digital marketing in Nepal, insights, you can read that, subtopic one, and here's the claims by the source in the subtopic. So these are the sources where it extract the keywords from. Okay, so this is the graph, claims by ranked pages. This is the graph you can see. Okay, you can hover over them, and extract information from there, so you can see the overall competition on that keyword. And on the right hand side, there is accessibility of potential digital marketing. You can click on summarize to summarize, you know so pros and cons of marketing landscape. So there are topics that you can include on your content draft. Okay, so this is very helpful, guys. If you have to go through the another tools, it takes lots of time to go through those research process. So this is absolute time saving tip. Okay, so you guys should definitely love it. So this is a newly built site, so it does take time to load, but after wait for a while, and it will give you the magic. Okay, so let's see it here. This tool also loaded. So article creation is 100% now. So you can see, like I said, it will display the meta title and meta description, so you don't have to worry about that. And the characters are also met. So here, breakdown into subheading, the introduction is there, brief overview of digital marketing in Nepal, importance. Okay, so digital marketing landscape in Nepal, so major players, digital marketing strategies for Nepali business, SEO, SMM, email marketing, mobile marketing, influencer video. Okay, so all these aspects of an article that makes it comprehensive. So what you can do is simply copy and paste. Conclusion is also there. So proper formatting is also there. So it's a clean layout, doc layout, or you can put your heading type, put the title as a H1. So this should also save time, and you can simply copy and paste it on your doc, or simply go to the WordPress and simply paste it and run ads and earn money, guys. So that's it. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.